Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to iron and fold a shirt. First, let's prepare our workspace. You will need an ironing board, a clean iron, and a spray bottle with water. Always check your shirt's care label to determine the correct fabric type and the recommended iron temperature. This prevents damage and ensures the best results. Make sure your iron is filled with distilled water for optimal steam production. Now let's get to ironing. Begin with the collar, pressing it flat on both sides, working from the center outwards. Next, open the cuffs and iron them thoroughly. For the sleeves, lay them flat, aligning the seams, and press from the shoulder down to the cuff. Finally, iron the back and front panels, moving the iron smoothly in sections to achieve a crisp, wrinkle-free finish. With your shirt perfectly ironed, it's time to fold it neatly. Lay the shirt face down on a clean, flat surface. Take one side of the shirt and fold it inward towards the center, approximately 1/3 of the way across. Then, fold the sleeve back so it aligns perfectly with that newly created edge. Repeat these exact steps for the other side of the shirt. To complete the fold, take the bottom hem of the shirt and fold it upwards towards the collar, leaving about 2 inches of space from the top. Gently smooth out any remaining wrinkles as you make this final fold. Now, simply turn the shirt over, and you will have a perfectly folded garment. Store your shirts in a drawer or on a shelf to keep them crisp and ready to wear.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.